So on the dyno today for development, we've got an Audi A7. This is a TDI 45. It's the bi-turbo 3-litre engine car running the MD1 ECU. They're down-tuned at the factory, only making 228 brake horsepower. We're going to get it run up on the dyno, see how Audi have set it up. We got everything linked into the dyno through the OBD sockets as well, so we're measuring every parameter that we need: engine coolant temperatures, engine load, cat temperatures, fuel timing, fuel duty. Now we do believe that it's a down-tuned engine and we're hoping for some really good gains on this. Let's get it run, let's see what it's doing and let's see what we can achieve. So we're more than happy with what we've been able to achieve with this Audi. The stock car was making 243 brake horsepower at the clutch. We've managed to achieve 311. Now I've got to say at this point that we actually managed to achieve a little bit more than that, but when we were logging the parameters off the engine, the exhaust gas temperatures were running a little bit high. So to maintain longevity of the engine and to keep the exhaust gas temperatures as they were from the factory, we've actually dropped the power output a little bit and we've topped it at 311 brake horsepower. We've been out on the road in this car. It drives absolutely fantastic on the road. We always try and write a map that gives you a nice progressive and factory feel and power delivery. We're not interested in the maps that give you an all or nothing. We want a car that's absolutely factory in its feel and it feels like a modern car should drive. If you want any more information on any of the mapping that we do for the cars or the bikes, please feel free to drop us a line. We're always at the end of the telephone or on the other side of an email. The contact details are in the description below. Please do drop us a subscribe and a like. It really does help the channel out and it keeps you notified of any new tuning that we bring in.